And again, the ingredients are organic coconut water, organic turmeric juice, organic lemon juice, organic black pepper. I love wearing flannel, especially in the fall. Well, it is winter time, but in LA, that's like fall. And then I'm gonna bring my reusable bags, head out the door. So I was talking to my mom and she was like, oh, I love watching your vlogs daily. She's so funny. She was like, oh, but how do I subscribe? And I was like, what do you mean? You just hit the button subscribe. You just click on it. Mom, if you're watching this, please, please, please help your daughter out and subscribe to my channel, please. I love you. Bye. Day 7 already. Yes. 1 week down. I'm headed out the door to go to some grocery stores today. I need some ingredients for the hot pot dinner tonight. Okay, it's really hard to grocery shop with one hand. I am back home. Oh, it's nice being home. It is so nice being home. I should be a professional grocery shopper because I love to go grocery shopping. It's so fun for me. I don't know why it's so fun. Wait, can I take a coffee sip first? Okay. I will say though, like grocery shopping itself isn't stressful for me. What is stressful for me is like the traffic in LA, especially like mid-city, especially Trader Joe's. It's like yeah, there might be riots happening at Trader Joe's sometimes. You know what, one time I even braved it like on Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving, and it was nuts, yo. Number 1, Target. What did I get at Target? I went for Drano. I did get Drano. I didn't see anything makeup wise, but I did read online how this hair mask is very good, and I really wanted to try it. It was $3.99. There we go, bam. It is the Fructis Garnier hair mask, but it's 1 minute. So I love the fact that you can do a hair mask in 1 minute. You don't need to wait like 20 minutes. Then I went to Trader Joe's. I got this gingerbread coffee. I saw it on some other YouTubers' channel where they were really excited about it. They just started having this product maybe this summer. I know Costco and Whole Foods had it from the beginning. For sure Whole Foods, because that's what I used to eat in New York. But it was really expensive. For one, at Whole Foods, it was $5.99. It's $1.99. There are mixed reviews, but I like it with just a piece of toast. Instead of Nutella, I put this, like a tablespoon of it, and then put like a tablespoon of peanut butter or jam, white wine. I used it for a mussels recipe and for gravy. I also just love to drink this from Trader Joe's. It was $4.99. And then I've always wanted to try these. It's a turmeric juice shot. And again, the ingredients are organic coconut water, organic turmeric juice, organic lemon juice, organic black pepper. This was $1.99. Oh, ugh. Maybe it will decrease some inflammation in my body. There's always some kind of inflammation in your body. Olive oil that is imported from Italy. I got it because I do have avocado oil still, but I got it for deep frying chicken because I want to make homemade fried chicken one of these days. So I'm thinking of doing like a video of why you need to use certain kind of oil for deep frying, and also the recipe for it that I like to make at home. So if you want to see that, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel, please. Thanks. The rest of the ingredients is for the hot pot tonight. I got mushrooms, napa cabbage, some yok choy leaves, enoki mushrooms, natural Wagyu beef brisket thin slice, chadolbeki, Angus choice beef brisket thin slice, peppers, or one of these quail egg recipes I will be making in the future. I'm gonna wash the veggies. You really have to wash these veggies really well because there's been so many times that I thought I did and there was still like a lot of dirt in between the leaves. so now I'm very, very careful. See, there's like dirt in between the leaves. Be gone, dirt, be gone. And I'm gonna wash these again with some baking soda and vinegar and water. And you don't put it in for too long because then you don't want the vinegar to change the taste. Just gets all the gunk out, you know? Fish ball with roe. So it's really good because it's a fish ball and inside is the eggs. So as you can see, the dinner is prepped for now. While it thaws, like the meat and the shrimp and the fish balls, we're gonna do a quick workout down in the lobby gym. I am so sorry guys, time flew. I didn't even know. I wasn't good at time management. No hot pot video for you guys today, but I will probably be eating hot pot when you're watching this video. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will